SSD, solid-state drive, and HDD, hard disk drive, are two types of storage devices commonly used in computers. While both can store data, they differ in several ways. Technology: SSDs use flash memory technology, which allows them to read and write data much faster than HDDs, which use spinning disks in read-write heads. Speed: SSDs are much faster than HDDs, particularly when it comes to random access times. This means that applications load faster and data is accessed more quickly with an SSD. Durability: SSDs have no moving parts, which means they are less likely to break or fail due to physical shock or wear and tear. HDDs, on the other hand, have spinning disks and read-write heads that can be damaged or wear out over time. Capacity: HDDs typically offer more storage capacity than SSDs, although the gap is narrowing as SSD technology improves. Price: SSDs are generally more expensive than HDDs, particularly when it comes to higher capacity models. In summary, SSDs are faster, more durable, and use different technology compared to HDDs. However, they are typically more expensive and offer less storage capacity than HDDs.